folks, AJ here, going to show you a new retrofit kit that's going to replace the HYDROMAX keypad and VTDS control. If you have this keypad or this control on the back of your motor, this is the retrofit kit for you. Behind the original keypad was this mounting bracket here. So this had 2 screws in it, in the tub that held it in place. You're going to take those 2 screws out. This is the new keypad that's going to replace that HYDROMAX keypad. The new one does not have a temperature display. It just has a power, speed up, speed down, and the wave control. I'll demonstrate that once we get it up and running. Let's go back to the installation of this keypad. You're going to notice on this keypad we have these 2 studs. They're going to fit pretty almost identical into the holes of the old one. It's just off by a little bit. You might need to get a drill bit and just make that hole a little bit bigger. For that guy to slide down in there nice and tight and flush. Before you put this down to the tub, you're going to want to put a heavy bead of 100% clear GE silicone on there all the way around. Seal it down to the tub, wipe off all the extra. You can clean it off with a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. Then there's these 2 slide-on nuts that are just going to slide down the post and lock it into place. So this is the new control box that's going to operate the pump. You're going to plug the pump into this and you're going to plug in the keypad. Let me show how everything goes together. It's very, very simple. This plug is going to go into a 20 amp GFCI dedicated protected outlet. You're going to plug the new pump into the outlet of the control box. It is labeled P. Control box has 2 holes on the side so you can screw it down and mount it if need be. It also has a bonding lug, make sure it is bonded. To attach the wire to the keypad, all it is just a phone jack connection. Okay, let me demonstrate the key functions on this now. Far left circle with the line is the power. Speed down. Speed up. Wave mode. And pulse mode. And that's everything you need to know about the retrofit kit for the HYDROMAX VTDS control systems. We are proud to be your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.